Hi, I'm Monk and this is the Monk Way. Let's look at a free investment platform called Webull. I'll go over all the advantages and compare it to some popular platforms like Robinhood. We'll also look at who this platform is best for, with actual footage of me trading on Webull. I left the link in the description if you want to sign up. It's an affiliate link that's free to use. You get a stock worth $3 to $300 when you sign up using this link, and get another free stock worth up to $1,000 if you deposit just $100. Subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a like for more investing videos. I make these every day. And to join my contest to win a lifetime membership to my investment group, just be subscribed, leave a like, and comment below about anything. I pick a winner every week. A recent winner in my group was Aurora Cannabis, up 50% so far. As an American, you have quite a bit of choices when it comes to free investment platforms. Some popular ones are Robinhood, one of the first free trading brokerages, M1 Finance, which I also reviewed, also has completely free trading and no account fees. And now we have Webull. Every platform is actually very different, so let's see what makes this platform stand out above the rest. Let's start with the basics by going to their websites. The front of the page says trading is completely free. They have real-time customer service, which is always nice. A benefit here is no minimum amount for opening an account. This is also true for Robinhood, but M1 Finance requires $100 minimum for a no-fee account. Clicking on Learn More, we can see more benefits. It looks like they have some in-depth charts right in the app, with analyst ratings. This is one of their main benefits. Robinhood offers a very basic interface for stocks, but Webull has a lot more information, very useful for swing trading. We'll look at this more later. They also have full extended hours trading. This is also a huge benefit because it means you can trade after hours. If Apple just released a good earnings report and you want to buy in, normally you have to wait until the next day, just like everyone else, and miss a few percent of profits. With Webull, you can buy right after a good report, making this perfect for swing trading. Robinhood also has this, but their after hours trading is shorter, stopping at 6 PM, while Webull goes on to 8 PM. Webull also starts at 4 AM. This is sooner than Robinhood's 9 AM, giving you an extra 8 hours to trade with. This is an amazing feature for a free trading platform. M1 Finance does not offer after hours trading. They also have professional grade analysis tools in the app, giving you 25 technical indicators. I mostly use moving averages, but these are not available on Robinhood. This is a huge advantage we'll look at later. They also have no commission to trade, no fees, and no initial deposits. There's also paper trading, meaning trading fake money to get experience. This could be a lot of fun. There's phone support, email support, and in-app supports. They seem on top of things. So we do see some major benefits over Robinhood. One is full after-hours trading, better support, paper trading, and more stock information. Then a huge amount of technical information. If you're a swing trader who wants to access all the trading hours and want more information about your stocks, like moving averages, analyst estimates, and much more, this is perfect. Again, they charge no fees for trades or to own an account. If you just sign up and get a $10 stock, you can just trade that money for free. They're also insured, just like any good platform. SIPC insured, up to $500,000. Same kind of protection Robinhood offers. There's also more insurance from Apex Clearing, covering $37 million. They're also regulated by Finra and SEC registered, so a trustworthy company here. They also have a rating of 4.6 out of 5 on the App Store, with 700 reviews, one of the best I've seen. They have an office in New York City, on Wall Street, and personally, their support has been very nice to me, so this is a company I trust. Some things Robinhood has over Webull are options trading and trading cryptocurrencies, but Webull does have short selling if you think a company will drop. Webull also offers margin trading at a lower price, so if you want to borrow money to trade, it's possible on Webull. Let's have an in-depth look at the platform and make some trades. This is an American platform for anyone over 18. It's as simple as downloading the app through my link. Enter info like name, date of birth, and your SSN, employment info, then income info, taking a picture of your ID, and you can choose margin accounts or cash accounts. Margin is just borrowing money to trade, not for beginners. After verifying your email, they'll approve your accounts within a day. You can then open your free stock. I wish you luck. There's a 5% chance at a $1,000 stock, so it's not impossible. Let's browse the actual app. Opening the app, you'll see this screen with your watch list. Here's my personal updated watch list of stocks I own. Feel free to pause and take a look. I really love this interface. We see the ticker symbol with the name below it, the actual change today next to the price. The after hours change is a huge benefit. This is something the Apple stock app doesn't have right next to the daily change. The settings on top lets you change a few things, like the refresh frequency, the price can move in real time or in seconds. Clicking the search button allows you to add symbols, showing the most searched stocks, seems to be marijuana related. And if you turn your screen, you can see more detailed information, like the market cap and PE ratios. Very useful for more details. Now let's go to the markets. There's some advanced stuff in here. Clicking United States, we can see the 3 market indices, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Below that, we have really neat stuff. An IPO center, letting you know when a new stock is going public. Going to the listed section, we see Lyft and Levi's just had their IPO. Clicking on upcoming shows new stocks coming soon. For example, here's Pinterest. Clicking on this also shows the expecting listing dates. Extremely useful in general if you want to keep up with IPOs. Not only is there an IPO section, we have an earnings section for anyone who wants to trade earnings, something I've done in recent years. It gives you an updated calendar of all the upcoming earnings. So much information all in one app. They also show estimates. Below that, we see ranking for most active, top gainers, hot stocks, and such. This section is a goldmine for active traders. It even has cryptocurrencies and global markets on here. Keep track of Bitcoin price in the same app as your stocks. So far, I'm very impressed with this app. And this is all free to use, even if you don't trade on here. Let's move on to community. This section has all the latest news of the markets. Just one look can tell you how America is doing today, and a section just for stocks in your watch list if you want a more focused newsfeed. This type of newsfeed is very similar to the one on Yahoo Finance. It's very nice to have all in the same app. And this stream section is for users to talk about stocks, similar to stock tweets. Again, a nice feature to have. Clicking on the menu on the bottom right shows us extra settings. You can contact support right here and get a live agent. Clicking on paper trading lets us trade with fake money. Very fun for the new investor. Robinhood and M1 Finance does not have this feature. Now let's get to the actual trading. This has to be one of the fastest and simplest processes I've ever seen. Clicking on the middle button lets us trade. We see the net value on top, $30, and unrealized gains and losses. Market value shows our total stocks worth, and cash shows us how much cash we have. Below we can see our list of stocks. It's empty right now. It's actually after hours right now, so let's see how it works after hours. Let's buy 1 share of Aurora Cannabis. We just click trade, and search for the symbol ACB, or the company name. Then we click the company. This is a simple order screen. Clicking buy and quantity 1, it goes to 100 automatically, so just set it to 1. Order type limits, there's no market orders after hours. Just enter a price that's higher than the current price for a quick trade. Enter $9.50, then click place order. Make sure to click yes on extended hours, so it knows you want to trade after hours. Then it goes to order detail screen, where it says it's filled instantly. We just bought a stock after hours instantly. What a great feature. Selling a stock is just as easy. Let's sell this Aurora Cannabis we just bought. Just click sell, click limit order, click yes on extended hours, set the price to lower than the current price for a quick sale. Place order and it's sold instantly. The key to fast selling or buying is to put the limits way over the current price, or way below the current price if you're selling. These are filled instantly just like during the day. The trading process is very fast and very easy. Perfect for swing trading. We can also check our order history here. We can see some cheap stocks I bought and sold to test. A very simple list to look at. Clicking on performance overall, we can see our net account value going up. This spike is when the money was deposited, with the original free stock worth $4. Below that is profits and loss comparison, which is very useful. Clicking withdraw lets us move money to our bank, and deposits lets us put money in the accounts with our bank. A very simple process overall. I just started using this, and it's really the easiest way to trade I've seen. Very easy to use interface for buying and selling. Again, this after hours trading really gives this platform an advantage. Let's move on to the single stock information. This is where they really stand out over Robinhood or M1 Finance. Let's go to Apple as the perfect example. Simple price movement on top, range, market cap, volume, and then we have the charts. This is a very advanced chart. Tilting our screen, we can see a lot more. Choosing 1 year and add 2 simple moving averages. I add the 50-day and the 200-day average for a simple technical analysis view. Apple seems to be above the 50 and the 200, so that's a bullish sign. We can change the line graph to area graph, baseline graph, candles, bar, anything you need. There are so many indicators to use. Clicking here lets us see MA for moving averages, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, relative strength index. I've never even heard of some of these, but I'm glad they have them. This is extremely useful for swing traders who want to use all of these indicators. A big reason to use this instead of Robinhood. Some of the best chart features I've ever seen. Below the charts, we see even more features. Starting with the latest news, analyst ratings, which is just useful. We see 41 analysts saying Apple is likely a buy. A price target of $191, lower than the current price, but the high is $245. We can't just trust analysts to be right, but it's good to have that option. Then we have a chart that shows their earnings beats or misses. Below that, we have dividend information, support and resistance charts, again perfect for swing trading, earnings report information with notification options. Then we can actually see their income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow right here. This is a lot of information on one app. I'm very impressed and jealous that Americans can use Webull. I'm actually Canadian, so I can only try this app, but I might keep using it just for information and analysis. Basically, this platform has huge approval for me. It has all the information you ever need on stocks, a newsfeed for new information, more than enough technical analysis charting, easy to use buy and sell, with full after hours trading for free, and a very simple and effective watch list. And even small things like IPO and earnings section. If I had the choice of one investment app, this is it. Robinhood is fine for beginners in the stock markets, but if you want to take it to the next level, you should try Webull. It beats Robinhood on most levels, and you can start with any amount of money, like $10. But Robinhood has crypto trading and options trading. M1 Finance is more for the passive investor who wants fractional shares. There are advantages for each platform. Webull seems best for short-term swing traders. Remember, I have a link to Webull below. It's an affiliate link that actually gives you a free stock if you use it, and get another free stock worth up to $1,000 if you deposit $100. If you enjoyed this review, use this link to support the Monk Way for free. Subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a like for more investing videos. I make them every day. And check out my stock market group in the description and comments. You could have seen me buy Aurora Cannabis before this 50% spike. Keep watching the Use the Best platform, the Monk Way.